This is live profit from my personal trading account just to show you guys. Uh, See, this is Nirupam and it's happening live. Let me show you date and time. It's Thursday, 13th of July, and the time is 9:50. So let me show you the order I have placed. See, July C call option, Nifty 20th July expiry, and 19,500. Sorry, I've bought one lot only because I had very limited fund. I'm just showing you guys. So at an average of 106.95, and current price is around 133.5, or it is fluctuating. Just to show you guys. So if I had more funds, I could have bought uh, 10 lots or 20 lots. I was pretty sure about this call, and it's genuine jackpot, I guess. I've got a profit of around 1500. I have made my exit. Let me show you, around 138.75, and currently it is trading at around 143 4. It had made a high of 144 and a half around. So I thought it was cool to have this much of profit, because when I calculate it, when you can also calculate, I had invested like 5,000, and I'm getting a profit of around 30% on my invested fund. So if I had bigger amounts to invest, like 1 lakh or 10 lakh, you can see how much profit I would have got. So you do the math. So it's all part of strategy, and most importantly, controlling your greed in the market to make consistent profits. That is very important. So guys, today's market is all about buy on dips. Uh, this is the same account, you can see, and I'm Nirupam. And let me show you the second order I have executed. It's of bank nifty now. Earlier I took nifty call option for 20th July expiry, and now I've taken 45,000 call option of bank nifty, same 20th July expiry, and I'm getting a profit about 1200. I still haven't made my exit yet, but I won't be very greedy. I will take like a 50 or 60 points move, and I'd be happy to have that, because that's like 20-25% of profit on invested fund. So just wanted to share with you guys back to back hit calls for today.